Hey guys and girls, we're just gonna go down to the beach. I'm here with Oscar.
Hey guys, we're just off to the beach. It's gonna be fun.
Yeah, so hopefully we're gonna go to the beach. Hi. And yeah, we're gonna go down to the beach and hopefully it's fun. Isn't that right, Oscar? It's gonna be fun.
I can't wait. So guys, we're just gonna go down to the beach.
Yeah,
It's gonna be fun.
yeah.
So-
Just we're going down to that beach over there.
Guys,
get
like and subscribe.
I'll get a better view for you guys in a couple of moments of time. Thanks.
Like
make
and
sure
subscribe.
Yeah. Cool. Do you want to say anything else?
We'll see you guys at the beach. It's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
Like and subscribe.
Alright, so we're just going down to the beach. Bye. That means shackers, by the way, if you didn't know. Shackers.
Woo!
That's just the thing that us cool Aussies do. Hey guys, welcome back. We're nearly at the beach, and we're just gonna have a look at the beach. I'm still with Oscar. If you thought I left him.
Hey guys, almost at the beach. It's gonna be so fun. It's so sunny.
Yeah, and sorry about that. Just had to sneeze a little bit. Okay, so we're nearly at the beach. I'll keep the video rolling and shack up because that's cool. Yeah. So I just wanted to do a quick Q&A in my next video. So if you've got any questions, leave them in the comment section below, down there, and also down there, but over here. Make sure you. Sorry, my camera battery ran out of charge, so I quickly changed it around. Didn't I, Oscar?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think now that we're down here, we're just gonna walk back because there's not much to do at the beach. My feet are getting quite sandy, which I'm not a fan of. What about yours, Oscar?
Sandy.
Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna start walking back now. But yeah, that's just our friends beeping to us. Yeah.
Also guys, we have a second channel. It's gonna be Roblox. I'm talking Minecraft Roblox. Just like and subscribe.
It's
please.
just us gameplay, okay? Gameplay's the coolest thing in the world.
Gameplay
Make sure you
coming
know
in.
that.
Also subscribe to my Twitch channel and
Twitch streamer right here. Yeah, so cool.
streamer by the way. Oh yeah, we play
Streaming.
Fortnite.
No,
all
I don't.
night.
I'm not allowed to. Mum doesn't let me.
But I'm playing Fortnite. But if you want
Go
to see,
check out his channel. So we're just walking back to the back to where we came from. Bye. Alright guys, welcome back. We're in the car now and we're driving back. Still with Oscar.
hey guys.
Sorry, I'm a little bit nervous. I don't know why. It's a lovely day. I'll show you some of that's our view that we get here in beautiful Australia. And sorry, that was a bad shot. I'll try and. Sorry, I'll try and edit that out. Damn, that's funny. I've got really straight teeth. They say sorry now. It's a pretty cool song. We get our we're actually so
Oh, we missed the recording. Hey guys,
So this is what my body looks like.
we're in the car now. That's my dad. He's angry right now. Should we stop recording? So guys, Damon.
They're getting angry. They're getting really angry. myself, Matt. I'm here with Oscar again. Just a quick question. Do you think that we're pretty? Just answer down in the. Am I your favorite YouTuber? Up to you.
Boy, shut up!
Sorry, Dad. Crap. Sorry, dude. I'll talk to you when we get home. Hey guys, we're at Oscar's home. Yeah, Oscar's still. He's a bit of a weirdo. We gotta be quiet.